Welcome to Row with Controls. Here's your host, Steve Rowe.
Hello, everyone. Let's talk today about connected buildings. Worth noting, I think people often interchange connected with smart, and I believe there is a distinction, so let's start there. A lot of the understanding for this concept really aligns with technology in our homes, and our expectations transfer to commercial buildings. If we look at the home for a second, I don't think it's uncommon to see a home for sale that is identified as a smart home. And I always find it somewhat funny about how a smart home sometimes just means it has a few Wi-Fi connected devices, maybe a doorbell camera, a few connected lights, and a smart thermostat. But as with anything, there are varying levels of smart home. You could start with a few devices, or you can have all systems in lighting, HVAC, locks, security, water valves, the list goes on, all smart, remotely accessible. Are these connected? I think you start to enter the connected definition when you introduce a smart home assistant, typically a centralized hub to manage all these various devices. And with this, you can begin unlocking the potential of connected logic. It's really a connected continuum, as I'll call it, where it could be as simple as doorbell camera, seeing motion, and turning on a specific set of lights for safety and convenience purposes, or a single button press to move your home from daytime to nighttime with adjustments to the lights, the shades, the temperature set point. Or we can be really unlimited with possibility with the concept of if this, then that logic, where you can introduce any combination of input actions triggering output actions. So how does this smart and connected definition translate to a commercial building? And I think it translates rather nicely. If you look at a building with various technologies, I'll take the lens of lighting and lighting controls. You have digital devices operating as a system, communicating to one another over a dedicated network. These systems are often remotely accessible so that a facilities manager can view and adjust the system from any central location, possibly even offsite. Here's where you have a smart building, individual systems. But to tip over into the connected continuum for a building, you need data flowing between the systems. You need really a system of systems, often called an ecosystem, where these are living and breathing systems that coexist. You need lighting sensors to adjust HVAC temperature set points, or lighting and shades controlled together from common schedules, or audio-visual equipment that controls the video conferencing mics, cameras, while also controlling the lights and the shades from a single press of a button. Let me leave you with one final thought. I introduced the connected continuum, as there's not one exact definition to get to a connected building. And the definition today is very different than what it was a decade ago, and I'm sure it'll be very different in another decade, given the rapid pace of technology advancements. As we get smarter and our technology gets more capable, we unlock additional opportunities for connected buildings, and I'm personally excited to see this evolve. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on Row with Controls.